I am more than happy Linux user on a daily basis. However, in December 2019, I installed Windows 10, mostly due to certain video games that I want to play and the environment around it. In fact, I think it is the only thing that Windows has a stronger upper hand over Linux. Yet. Gaming on Linux is getting really stronger and more powerful almost every day that goes. We have a great Proton project, Lutris, and playing games on Linux. But we're not quite yet there. That's why I decided to make a dual boot along my beloved Linux Mint. And boy, was it a painful and traumatic experience to install Windows 10. It used to be the other way around before. 10-15 years ago, many Linux installations were extremely difficult for a normal user. It required technical knowledge and the installing process wasn't intuitive enough. I remember cumbersome installations of Slackware and Debian 15-16 years ago. And yet I would still prefer to fiddle with Slackware than Windows 10 installation of today. I had big troubles to format properly my SSDs, while Windows 10 just couldn't handle my new computer's Unified Extensible Firmware Interface, or UEFI mode, and therefore I had to use command lines in order to convert my drives from master boot record MBR to GPT, or GUID partition table. It was my first Windows installation in a couple of years, actually, and it was a pure pain and trauma. I got a blue screen of death stating that my PC needs to be repaired. I got this picture with 2 Windows 10s, and then I got it with 3. Finally, I somehow installed Windows 10. Don't ask me how, it was one part of using Voodoo and one part using magical command lines. Finally, I repaired the master boot record with Linux Mint Boot Repair program through Linux Mint Live CD. And there you go. I couldn't believe my eyes how painful and almost impossible was it to install Windows 10. Mind you, I've been installing all kinds of Windows operating systems since Windows 95. It seems as if Windows 10 is not supposed to be installed by human beings. You're supposed to buy a PC or a laptop with Windows 10 installed on it, and you're not supposed to touch it, remove it, or reinstall it. And don't get me started on its telemetry, spying, and bloatware. That's why Windows 10 installation sucks. It suckaroos big time.